feel so confident that we are going to have probably more than one good, safe, effective vaccine.
Some encouraging news tonight in the race for a coronavirus vaccine. Good evening, and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
And I'm Barbara Lee Edwards. It has been an uncertain few months, to say the least, but a glimmer of hope tonight from a local pharmaceutical company.
As News 8's Steve Price reports, it says it's making progress toward a COVID-19 vaccine.
The race to create an effective vaccine to fight COVID-19 continues, and Inovio Pharmaceuticals here in Sorrento Valley is excited with their progress. Their phase 1 clinical trial is showing that their vaccine induces antibodies and is safe. We took you inside Inovio's lab several months ago when work on a vaccine was just getting underway. And now?
There's been a lot of progress in the last few months.
Kate Broderick is the company's Senior Vice President for Research and Development. She says Inovio started its phase 1 trial with 40 people, and the company reports 94% demonstrated overall immune responses at week 6 after 2 doses.
And we're really, really excited about the data that we've generated here at Inovio.
Dr. Broderick says the trial has now been expanded to 120 people, including older adults, and they're hoping to expand even further this summer into phase 2-3 trials. But will they be first? A competitor, Moderna, made big news this week with their vaccine's early success, and another competitor, Novavax, received $1.6 billion last week from the federal government to help fund their efforts.
I don't think it matters who's going to be first, to be perfectly honest with you. I think what matters is that the vaccine works and that it's safe.
Dr. Broderick is approaching all of this with cautious optimism. COVID-19 is so new that we just don't know yet how long any of these antibodies will last. Will there be long-term immunity?
We don't actually know what types of immune responses are required to protect us from COVID-19.
Federal officials say the goal is to have 300 million doses of potential vaccines by January. Dr. Broderick hints that may be a bit overly optimistic, but there is definitely a light at the end of this very dark tunnel.
A safe and effective vaccine being ready in 2021 is very achievable.
Steve Price, News 8.